Hello girls, did you already know that some of our dresses has a special system to shorten the train of your dress? I will explain you in a few simple steps how you do it. Step 1, it's about this underlayer of your dress. It's in crepe. You have the crepe and the lining. They are attached to each other. And if you look very well under the lining, you see that there are two small ribbons, one more up and one more down. If you attach them very well, like I will do now, you already shorten that part of the train. As you can see, the lining and the crepe are already much shorter. Then the second step is that you take the upper layer of your skirt, the chiffon layer. You have two small loops, one on the right side and one on the left side. And you can attach those small two loops with the ribbon underneath here at the top. It's next to the zipper. So actually it's a very easy and simple system to shorten the train of your skirt. As you can see, the train is now gone and it will be much more easier for you to dance. Good luck!